Good morning. Dennis and I are up already. Lauren is still sleeping. Go get ready so that we can go see my dad because it's Memorial Day. Someone's getting her baby girl ready. Nice. Okay, so I'm done packing our stuff and we're gonna head out to the grocery store so that we can buy flowers, and then we're gonna head up to Skyline to see my dad. Lauren, do you know where we're going? Say, we're going to go Yeti. Say, we go see Yeti. Yeah, Yeti. With all those flowers in the back. Headed down the street to pick up my mom and my sister so we could go see my father there. So my brother was joking around and it was like, oh, what if we go to the cemetery? And people are like, oh, what did your dad serve in the military? And then we just say no, and my mom goes, yes, he's in the military of God. Hi, Mia. Why do you have so much stuff?
You want Daddy to buy it for you? Yeah. Okay.
She's getting tired.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Almost doesn't count. Oh, look where the Thai bought her. The Thai bought her Jello. The Thai, you need Jello la? Oh, LJ, you look exhausted over there.
She's a rat shit.
Headache, you know why?
Everyone hates the way he
there.
drives.
Gosh,
my sissy is sick. It's because my husband drives like a jackass. Hold this.
Did you go say hi to Grandpa already? Hey, Miss Son no. You do.
Oh, they already did it.
Cái hai lươn đâu tại vì nó nên đi tới cái khả năng nó bỏ lên ngay YouTube cái này.
Oh my God, Christine. Oh, Mong guy from Minnesota. Oh, yeah.
Go ahead.
Okay, you sing to her. Okay, ready?
Cái nó tuổiเลย, chỉ là tôi chín đầuเลย, chết rồi, cái số đó đi.
Oh, nó tên cái tàu này.
Là chi xí đó.
Chả là chỉ sao chi đâu cũng lên nó.
Good mày bảo nghe
Oh, cô chỉ cảm muốn rồi là cô tên chả là chỉ cho address na. Nick.
No, do you help her? She's trying to open it.
No, it's already gone. Pirates,
You want a Jello?
Here, okay.
Give him a Jello.
Hey, Lauren.
Mommy!
Hey.
Mommy!
She's trying to pitch.
Daddy.
Oh, I'm going to
You see the Barbie, the
Everyone's
Barbie
here
girl.
except me and them.
4th of July, you never know what we're going to be doing about.
I know, right?
So, Kevin,
But
tell me how life is.
life is boring.
Is it hard to have a girlfriend your age?
Nope. I'm not asking that question. So what's the question? Beth's laughing too. That's bad.
What?
Do you think that it'll be okay if we ask for Ben to come out of David Douglas School?
What?
Yeah, you could. No, because now you don't have to live in the district to go to the school.
What, really? Who's going to do that?
Night-night.
Transportation?
Why? Where are they? Where do you want to do it?
To Gresham?
Oh.
Because if we can't find another special education teacher that can actually teach me.
And the family's here. So if no one knows where my dad is buried, we're over at Skyline Memorial, and it's up in the west side of town.
When you were in Lawrence,
It's so pretty out here.
Talk louder, they can't hear you, motherfucker.
I'm trying to show them the view.
You see that shit in her ears? Because her ears are fucked.
Oh, and this ghetto one on the Hello Kitty thing. Yeah, she thinks she's on vacation. Sunbathing.
She's in Hawaii sunbathing.
Man, this is like Mong July 4th for everybody. Trời ơi, ai sáng dùm ba.
Skyland 34. I'm gonna go one last swing.
Lauren's like, oh,
No, don't hit. Daddy
She was singing in the car earlier when I was telling her to.
Chó nữa.
You not say hi to Yeti? Say hi, Yeti. Thank you.
Where's your teeth?
Not Yeti. Show me
right
Yeti.
here.
Let me see your hand.
No, my teeth right here. Don't say I don't know. This is your teeth. Say hi, Grandpa. Yeah.
Look how beautiful the sky is behind
This
me.
would be the brother who was like.
No, it's hot, but it's the cloud, Mom, behind. Do you see? It's blue.
Black lady.
Oh, that's
Everyone, this is my mom. Her name is True.
her name is
Mom, say hi.
Hi, my name is Mr. Chan.
Miss Churchon.
Yeah.
Nung bị mong nhật chữ.
Nó bữa nay móc về nạt chơi trò này, con nạt xíu chơi trò này.
Oh my god. I was gonna start her own vlog now.
Oh, and this is Landon. Nói cái tình trai lo lo nè chứ trò.
Nói ra nè chơi trò, nói ra chơi trò tên sáng con giờ.
Nó tình trai lo.
Nó nè. Tên sáng lo thì chỉ mẹ ai chào.
My mom says, my sister said that she wants to tie her tubes, this sister. And my mom says she better quit. She better not tie it because my sister right here in News Translation, mom says that don't go tie your tubes because if your vagina doesn't get wet no more, you can go find a new woman. They need a wet vagina, not a dry vagina. Mommy. You want color? Lauren Grace.
I thought I was gonna hair on the face.
No, I saw this here on freelance that I really
So we've been here for a couple of hours already. We're gonna go home and probably go hiking. We're just cleaning up now.
Too bright in here.
My nephew says too bright here. What he means is it's hot here. Anyways, another view of my dad's
Really, Christy?
grave.
Bye bye.
And Cher getting mad at the world because his wife isn't helping him. Everyone say bye, Grandpa.
Bye, Grandpa.
Bye, Grandpa. Bye, Grandpa. Bye, Grandma. Grandma right there.
Oh, come on. Let's go. Maybe we can leave the kids at home. Aren't these cute? They're like grave.
So beautiful.
They're shut up, sure. They're like grave suites. So like, if someone passed away and they wanted their own little suite area right here, and then another grave suite right here. Pretty cool, huh, guys? It's like
So
a
cool.
good grave site for here.
So cool.
So cool. It's just so pretty out here. Look who's had a long day. Lauren, and then my mom phone banging and sleeping. She's scared. Where are we going? So we go hiking. Is it pretty? Nice in my mind. They're waterfalls. Lauren.
Oh, the rail.
We made it! Careful, babe, it's slippery down there. We made it to the waterfall. I'm Dora the Explorer. Backpack, backpack.
You okay?
Yes, yes, it's beautiful out here.
We made
The
it!
breeze feels good, and the waterfall's closer, and it's just better.
All right,
My
look.
crazy child. Hi, nice to hi guys.
Go to your water bottle.
Oh my gosh.
Ready? Nice.
Don't go chase the waterfalls. Let's stick to the river and the lake that you're used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all. But I think you're moving too fast. All done with
that
the
was
hike. That was a
hot.
good hike. I mean, it wasn't hard, but it was good.
hard.
And
fat-ass
we are all super hungry now,
You.
so we're gonna go
I led
grab.
the way the whole way.
Pacific Northwest. Like so great. The Mr. Pho Man. Pho Kim. So after we finish our food at Pho Kim, Loji and Kalusha and Sharon finally got their salad roll.
I want some too. Legit, put them right here. I want one.
Hi, you go mong her. Go mong her. Hey guys, so we had a really long day today, and after we had pho, we just came home. I watched a little bit of Teen Mom OG, and it's late now, so I'm gonna edit the vlog and put the vlog up tomorrow. I hope everyone had a good Memorial Day. Bye. Nice, say goodnight. Night, look. Laura and Grace, say goodnight, guys.